So this is the Kobalt. I already opened it. Kobalt 10-piece pliers and wrench set. I mean, the only wrench is really this wrench. And it's kind of heavy. This was $44 at Lowe's. I just went there and bought stuff. You'll see in the other video. So I opened it completely. One Mississippi. Two. I'm really excited about these. I love just some kind of specialty pliers. Don't know when I'm going to use these, but pretty big. Probably got 1,000 of these. Doesn't feel too bad. $200mm chromium vanadium China Kobalt 7/16 and 8-inch. I guess that's probably the smallest and the widest it'll go. Some snippers, kind of hard to open. Brand new. I mean, they're probably a little better than a Harbor Freight. I bought some other tools from Kobalt today and a toolbox, so I'll make a video about that. But this was $44 for 10, so it was about, I think it was, what did I say? It was like $3. Some nice needle nose pliers. I mean, this is a good starter kit. I'm no professional mechanic or anything. I'm not going to be using these every day for the rest of my life. So it's like they're nice to have, and if they break, they weren't too expensive. So can't open them. Some nice narrow, like needle nose vice grips. And regular pair of vice grips. And this from Kobalt for $44, which isn't bad. This is the back of the thing. Pretty much just saying what's in it. The handles feel pretty nice. Oh, it says what kinds are in here. I kind of cut it off. It does say it comes with a lifetime hassle-free guarantee. So I think this is the part number. I'm not too sure. It probably is. 10-piece plier and wrench. And I don't know if it was on sale. I can't remember. I'll post the snapshot of the website. But the handles feel pretty good. These pliers, they all pretty much feel pretty tight. The only ones that didn't were these, if you could hear that. But it's supposed to be like really adjustable, so it's a little shaky. But I mean, since I don't have these pliers or these bent needle nose pliers, and they all have a similar cutout design. It is nice to have a set, something new, something to put in the toolbox I just bought. It's not bad, just something to have. So for $44, $3 a piece, I don't think this is bad. Maybe in the future in some videos, I'll tell you after using these somewhat how well they were designed. I mean, they have a nice grip design. It says Kobalt. They're all matching. It's kind of like OCD thing. It's nice to have them all matching. But either way, so far, from just unpackaging them, they feel like a good quality tool. They have a nice, like kind of a polished finish almost, with black, like almost a matte black paint with black and blue with white lettering, grips, and they feel pretty good. I mean, this is a little flex, squeezing them tight. These ones have a little bit more, but it says, as you can see right there, China. So they're not too bad. I'll go through all of them one more time and then I'll end the video and start my next video on the 300 piece Kobalt toolkit that I bought. They all say China and Kobalt on them. These are always nice to have. Yeah. Alright, I hope you guys like this, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.